Ready for the top must-have spring fillers? Well, let's talk about what is a filler. Fillers are flowers that aren't necessarily the wow or the focal in a floral arrangement or a bouquet. It's the added bonus. It's what offers contrast. It's the supporting staff. It's the glue that helps bring it all together. If you're new to our channel, I'm Charmaine Turbow, head farmette here at Turbow Farms in Los Altos, California, Zone 9B. Be sure to subscribe to our channel when you're done watching this video for more gardening tips on microflower farming. So without further ado, this is Orlaya, also known as cow's parsley. It is absolutely prolific, as you can see, and it's easy to direct sow. It has a taproot, and believe it or not, we don't even water it. Nigella, another taproot flower friend that requires little to no water. Look at these cute little star shapes. New to our farm this year are Argentine forget-me-nots. About 12 inches in length, these beauties create little airy and delicate elements for our bouquets and arrangements. Sweet peas. They are known for their luscious scent, a real must-have. We also love them for their tendrils and their added greenery. Larkspur, what I call the delicate cousin to the delphinium. Check out these beautiful bell-like stalks. And there you have it, your top 5 must-have spring fillers. Thanks for watching us. From our little flower farm to you, I'm Charmaine Turbow here at Turbow Farms in Los Altos, California. Flowers or bust.